Hi, everyone, and welcome to Outside Office Hours. We are in Shell Ridge Open Space in Walnut Creek, California, and we are in what we think is one of the nicest dog friendly open spaces to come for a hike.
Shell Ridge Open Space is in Walnut Creek on the eastern edge of the San Francisco Bay, just about 30 minutes from Oakland and under an hour from San Francisco. The area is popular with locals for hiking, running, mountain biking, or just taking their dogs out for some time outside. The area covers over 1,400 acres of rolling hills, oak trees, and trails. And open spaces like Shell Ridge were preserved starting in the 1970s, and they've stayed pretty wild ever since. The open space gets its name from the marine fossils found in sandstone ridges, remnants from millions of years ago when the land was under the sea. There are about 31 miles of trails here, with a mix of easy strolls and longer loops. In the spring, the wildflowers come out in full force, with poppies, lupins, and plenty of others. For the hike today, we started near the Sutherland entrance, but there are a few other ways in, like Borges Ranch or Howe Homestead. On weekends during spring, the Sutherland Drive entrance sometimes has parking restrictions to help manage traffic during wildflower season, so be mindful of that. Shell Ridge is definitely dog friendly. In most areas, dogs can be off leash as long as they're under voice control. Just make sure to bring a leash and clean up after your pet. There's no entrance fee to hike at Shell Ridge, and parking is free at most trailheads. But it's always good to arrive early, especially on nice weekends, because spots can fill up quickly. Shell Ridge is open from half an hour before sunrise to a half an hour after sunset. Bikes are allowed on certain trails, and fires, smoking, and alcohol aren't allowed at all. Something that's really important, make sure to bring plenty of water. It gets really hot in the afternoon, and there's not much shade on some of the trails. If you're lucky, you might see some wildlife too. There's turkey vultures, deer, or even the occasional coyote. But be mindful that rattlesnakes and ticks are out in the warmer months, so stay on the trail and do a quick check of yourself and your dog after your hike.
Another important thing to note is this plant, which is called foxtail, and it is very dangerous for dogs. So keep your dog away from this. They have a lot of seeds that can get stuck in your dog's throat if they eat them. One really important thing to remember when you hike with your dog is to have a portable water bowl and to bring some water with you so he can drink water along the way.
Shell Ridge is a great place to get some fresh air, stretch your legs, and just take a break. So, whether you're hiking, running, mountain biking, or just walking your dog, it's a peaceful place to spend some time. We've been enjoying Shell Ridge ever since we moved to California in 2024 and have just really, really loved it. It's been our go to place, especially when we take our dog Felly out. Thanks for coming along with us today. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps grow our channel and allows us to share these experiences and help others get outside. So thanks a lot. Bye.